sounds you love. Take your playlists anywhere with offline downloads, or play your song of the moment again and again with unlimited repeats. Get all the music without hearing audio ads on Spotify Premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
All right, guys. So practically about to start the stream, guys. We're practically about to start. We're about to start the stream, guys. We're about to start the stream. Hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys are ready. Let's end the week. Let's end the week strong. Let's end the week strong, guys. Let's end the week strong. Hope you guys are ready. If you're in the stream, do give us a like. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like and share so we can get this party started. Give the stream a like and share so we can get this party started. Get this party started, guys. All right, guys. It's good to have everybody here. It's good to have everybody here. If you're tuning in now, just tell me you're active wherever you're from, and give the stream a like. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like. Let's get this going. Let's get the stream going. Let's get the stream going. So first of all, let's look over our calendar. Let's see what's going on this week. And we proceed to our chat and we commence. So the month is basically about to end. We finish trading in 2 days. October is going to end strong as well. Good morning for us. Good morning for us. So this is the entire calendar so far. So this is what we have this week. So we have FOMC tomorrow by 7 o'clock. And if you guys don't know, like London time has changed. So you can see this is when I'm streaming now because London time has changed. There's an hour back from where we are now. So you can see this is where I'm streaming currently. So that's just it. That's currently what we have now. So let's look at all our calendar. We have FOMC tomorrow. We also have what do you have again? Okay, there's no news. This entire week, by Friday, the week ends by Friday, so there's nothing going on this week. I think that's it. So let's go over to, and again, you can see on Monday, on Sunday too. By Sunday, the time change again. You can see daylight saving time shifts. So even the US time now, by next week, we're going to change as well. You can see daylight saving time. I don't know why they do this, but this is what they do. So by next week, the time in US too will change. So I think it's going to go from 1 to around 2 o'clock or so. So that's it. So let's go back to our charts. Let's see what's going on. Gold is something else. So I've been looking at it closely today, and there's been little to no confirmation or entries. So there was a tiny setup I saw yesterday, but it didn't stream and it didn't really do much yesterday. But if we have entered the trade and just leave the least loss size, we have been around here to just run over this trade, we have made a lot of money from it, like a lot of money. So let's walk today's analysis. Let's start from the daily. Let's start from the weekly. Better still, let's start from the weekly. Then let's go down to lower time frame and let's see what gold is telling us. Like there's always something gold is telling us. So you can see that this is the daily. First of all, let's go to the monthly. There's something I want to show you guys in the monthly. So is there a possibility that this monthly candle is going to flip bearish? Like that's the first thing you need to consider. Like, is there a possibility that this candle will actually flip bearish? We can see there's a lot of sell-off. Like a lot of people are selling off, and gold is pumping to the downside. So now, because we have the whole FOMC, the whole news that's coming up, so is there a possibility that gold is going to flip bearish or is going to push back to the upside? You see, this is like a massive sell-off, massive sell-off. I don't think gold has fallen like this in a while. So let's drop down to the daily time frame and let's see what's going on in daily. Let's look for any daily support or daily resistance. So you can see that we have a daily support right here. This current daily candle has broken below, but the problem here is that the daily candle has not closed below the structure. So since we haven't gotten our closure, so we can just say that, okay, since you haven't gotten our closure, there's a possibility that price can also safely bearish and bullish and close above. But if this candle close, which I really doubt that this candle will flip bullish, like I really doubt. Let's see what let us wait and see what FOMC will do. But I really doubt. But if it doesn't, let's see there's still range for price to move down to this point. Price can still come down to this point. Yes, you understand. Price can still come down to this point on the daily time frame. So this is something I'm currently seeing. So let's drop down to the 4 hours. Let's see what's going on in the 4 hours time frame. Let's walk our way through. Let's see what's going on in 4 hours. Let's see what the 4 hours candle is doing. So the 4 hours candle, you can adjust our support level. We have this 4 hour support. We also have this 4 hour support. So let's use this 4 hour support. Because of this weak rejection, you can see we have like a multiple weak rejection of this 4 hour support. And currently they see also a support level down here. Like there's multiple levels that price are retesting. So I will mark this off because in the lower time frame I'm obviously going to see something here. So let me mark this off here. This is what I'm seeing. So you guys can see the way I'm walking you guys through each time frame. So I have levels here. So I'm looking for how you can probably get into a trade, because currently now, yes, we know the overall bias is bullish, but price is currently in a massive sell-off. Like you can see, there's a massive sell-off going on the chart. So you have to just look and consider how can we be a part of this, how can we get an entry, how can we look for something, how can we just play around this trade and probably get an entry. So that's what I'm currently looking at. So let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame now. Let's see what's going on in 1 hour. So 1 hour, we still have a lot of bearish momentum coming to the downside. So I need some bullish candles. I actually need some bullish candles for us to look for something. So you can see it's that this is where price is coming to retest. It has retested it, and also have another level here, so you can see it. So now this is a level that price rejected before and pushed. Also this level were levels that price have gotten to retested and rejected off, but you can see the selling pressure just pushed it down. There was a clean break and retest for gold at this level. You can see the level here at $4,010. There was a very nice break and retest on the 1 hour time frame, and price sell off. You can see it. So I think around there you see a fake out. There's a fake out there. Exactly, you can see the fake out candle there. So this is like a very nice place to actually sell this pressure, and you can actually sell and hold. You can see how the massive drop, about 700 people drop from that candle. You understand? This is like money. This money being left on the table. So now we can see we dropped to 30 minutes. And I was talking about me seeing a bullish structure. I need bullish candle structure. If price wants to continue selling off, I need to see what will make me sell it. Not just red candles coming to the downside. I have to see some bullish closure. I need to see something that will make me say, okay, I'm considering actually entering the price. But for now, there's nothing going on. Let's drop down to the 15 minutes. Let's see what the 15 minutes is doing. We haven't gotten a closure in a while. So this 15 minutes candle now has broken above the previous high. But mind you, don't get confused with this, because you can see in the previous one too, the 15 minutes broke above the previous high, and what happened next is it dropped to the downside. So let's see how the candle closed. So what I can see from this current level I have now, that's if price creates a support level here. What I can see is that we have a resistance level here, and we have this level that price has not created yet. So we don't know what to do yet. We just have this exact range. Well, this is what we're working with right now. So, and this range should be over 200 people if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, okay, it's about 160, but the entire one is about 250. So let's see how this candle close first. Then we'll know exactly how we're going to respond to this. But for now, there's nothing we can do. We can only carry our hands and put behind our butts and sit on it and wait for price to give us something. But for now, there's nothing we're going to do. So we have about 8 more minutes to the end of the candle. Hopefully we get something, and if we do, we'll be a part of it and see how we can look to make money from it. But for now, there's nothing. Actually, still nothing going on. So let's just wait. But waiting, guys, 7 more minutes. So if you have anything you want to ask me, this is your time to ask me anything. Let's also look at GJ. Let's see what GJ is doing at this moment. So going about GJ, GJ, it seems like GJ actually gave us an entry around this point for selling, but the only problem here is there's a lot of support level, but it seems like it played out. Actually played out well if you had placed a sell on it. GJ2 has been kind of difficult to trade, but I can also see that there's a level here. There's like a break and retest that just played out right now. Yeah, there's actually like a break and retest I played right now. And yeah, would have been a very nice place to place your entry, like below this low. I'm surprised breaking below this low. Like, isn't like even like a double top. When you look at it like 30 minutes, 1 hour, flipping bearish. Yeah, that was a nice break and retest on GG. So, might say a drop. I'm actually very chill today because gold has already moved a lot. So I'm not trying to push any trade or trying to force any trade. So if we get an entry, we get. If we don't, we don't. So that's where we stand right now. If we get an entry, we do. But if we don't, we don't. We just wait and come back tomorrow or something. Today's Tuesday, so obviously by the end of the week you likely get something. Like last week we were able to just place just one trade on gold for the entire week. So and it was over 100, close to 200 people. Close to 200 people. About 180 people. So normally that's what I make a week. Like normally like in a week that's what we make after I've got like 20, 30 people. One trade just gave us that. And most of you guys caught it. I did it live. I caught it. The trade was called out live here for everybody. So some people closed off at 89. Somebody saw you close at 45. Another person say close at 120. So let's see guys. I won't be here for long because market structure is just doing market structure. So let's just wait and see how gold just closed. Then I will know exactly what I'm going to do. But for now, like I said, nothing's going on. So we're getting seems like we're going to get a bullish closure. Seems like we're actually going to get a bullish closure. So 1 second guys, I'll be back. 1 second. Alright guys, we're still looking at the chat and nothing's going on for now. We're still just observing, waiting for the candle to close. And it's looking like price will likely give us its support here, but it's we still have about 2 more minutes, so this candle can actually see flip bearish, because you can see it's already pushing down. So it's giving us the, like, there's not a lot of bullish pressure to push keep this candle above. You understand? And London section opens in 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes, less than 1 minute, less than 2 minutes to London open. So let's actually see what happened. Let's actually see what happened. You understand? Let's actually see what happened. So what I can and okay, let me just give you guys what I probably anticipate, or what I will likely react to. This is a very, very, very big range. So I'm not looking for buys here. I'm not looking for anything like buys here. Or what I'm looking for, what I'm currently looking for is only thing that can make me look for buys. Only thing that will make me look for buys. Let me show you guys something. Give me 1 second. Let me show you guys one thing. Okay, the only thing that made me look for buys is price actually creates levels. So if I start seeing like this candle, let's say this candle close bullish above this level like this, and I start seeing levels, like I start maybe the next one give me like a bearish closure, then probably I see a bullish closure like this breaking above. Now price has created a resistance level here for me, then I can probably look for buying opportunity because we have range. This candle has range. This is around 80 pip range, so we have range. So this is where I can start looking for buying pressure. So even though I see a break, like if price didn't do that and price come above this level and close above, I'll be anticipating a bearish closure back into the zone. So if I see some kind of a bearish closure back into the zone, then I can look for a split selling pressure to sell to the downside. You understand? This is something I can. This is what I'll be looking for. You get. And another one again is okay, price has closed, London open now. Let's see. Let's look at 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes closed bullish. Yeah, we got the first bullish closure. Oh, I see weak rejection. This is crazy. This is crazy. I don't buy off this level. Don't do that. I don't do that. Let's see. Probably we get the next candle closing bearish. So let's see if the next candle can close bearish below the structure. Then we can probably look to sell like this. But gold is way too oversold, like way too oversold. So let's just wait. Let's see. Let's see if the market can relax a bit so we can get something clean for us to enter the market. But for now, like there's nothing clean. I know some people might be looking for let's see the 1 hour. Let's look at our left. Let's see if there's any levels on the 1 hour. First of all, okay, there's a level here in the 1 hour. We close right at it. So price might likely reject from this level. Like there's possibility that price will reject from this level. But I just got my support and I got my resistance. That's all. So I need price to actually start. I'm not forcing any trades. I'm not looking to buy any top from anywhere. This is a massive selling pressure. So I'm not trying to look for a reversal to start buying the price. Let me see something else in order for me to jump into this trade. That's the only thing. So that's it, guys. So let's wait. We have 13 more minutes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, guys. If you guys are new here, if anybody that is new here, please shoot us a like. If you're just tuning into the stream, give us a like and say hello to the stream. Just say active or whatever. Or put W's on the chat. Let me know where you're from. Let me know where you're streaming from. Just engage the chat. So this is what I was talking about. So let's see how this candle close. Because obviously, I can't look for buys here. I can't be buying the price from that level. So I have to just wait. So let's see. Let's actually see. Let's wait and see how the candle closes. Let's wait and see how the candle closes. Then we know exactly what we're going to do, how we're going to execute, and how we're going to make money off the charts. So we have this month. Let me check first of all. Let me check how many streams we have done this month. Where we see it? Where we see it? So I placed like 7 trades this month. I'll be 8 trades this month. 6 win, 1 loss, and 1 break even. Not a bad result for stream. Not a bad result. But we didn't stream all the days. We didn't stream. I think total stream maybe 10 or 11 streams. I think it was inside these 6 weeks. I think it was a particular day that we had like 2 trades. So I don't think we had like this stream all the time this month. I don't think we stream all the time this month. So let's see, guys. So we have like 10 more minutes to the end of this candle. Let's see how it close, and hopefully we can get something. Hopefully we can get something. We're currently like 70 people. That's it. This is exactly what I was talking about. So let's see how this candle close. Hopefully it close well. If it close well, then we'll look for an entry or something. But this is just you have like 10 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's wait. Okay, guys, you can see gold is rejecting right now, but what will happen is that price has created a support for me here. And you can see the way this candle rejected. So the only thing I can look for now, if I want to probably enter this trade, is like this price should close bearish below. Then if you get like a rejection flip of the candle, you can look to sell. Probably get to this level, sell up to this level. So this is something I can see. It's something I need to see in order for me to enter the trade. Let's wait, guys. Let me see. Let me check the 5 minute counter. See, 5 minute close below. First of all, 5 minute close below this level. You understand? You didn't see any 5 minute closure below this level. And I'm trying not to start a bad habit. Do you understand? If you start focusing on the 5 minutes now because of the whole volume and all, what we can do for 5 minutes is that you can use 5 minutes for stop loss. You can use 5 minutes for stop loss. If you don't have like super wide stop loss, you can actually use 5 minutes. But I don't want to start a bad habit by also trading off the 5 minute time frame. You understand? If because of the way definitely gold is going to settle on later on, like the whole structure on gold is going to settle. But if you start focusing on the 5 minutes now, it might become a thing. Every time now we'll start looking at the 5 minutes for entries or confirmation. You get, so the 5 minute might play out definitely. If it's something that you feel like you're good at it, like you have checked it, it works perfectly well, then you can go ahead with it. Then say I have no problem in the 5 minutes. 5 minutes works. I can show you like multiple places that the 5 minutes work. You can see it right below, it works. Right below it works. But I don't want to start a bad habit. If you start focusing on the 5 minutes now, it might become an actual habit. And when the price settles, you now start struggling to move back to how I traded before. So I want to just stick to what we know, what we've been doing. At least just 5 minutes more. So let's see if we can wait 5 minutes, then we get an entry. But if we can't and price decides to push and leave us there, so be it. So be it. You can see it might actually drive. So if you actually want to enter it, then you can go ahead. For me, I'll just wait. So 3 minutes more and we'll likely get an entry. So let me start setting up everything. You can see the problem here is that you can see this exact count already is there 100 people. This one count is already 100 people. Crazy, oh. Crazy, oh. So let's see if you can also get another 100 people move to the downside. Let's see. So now I'm going to first, if you start looking at, let me say something. If you start looking at the candles, the move, like the way the candles are right now, you might get caught up in the moment. Do you understand? So you have to just focus mainly on structure. Like trade what we know, trade what we see, trade what we're used to. Let's forget about the whole extra candle movement. You understand? Forget about it. But the problem here is that if we are fighting so hard to have a tight stop loss and if price wants to do a proper retest, you might get caught up in it and you get stopped out in it. So let's say we enter a trade now and we just want to put our stop loss here because it's 35 people. Our price will actually want to give us a very steep retracement before pushing downwards. So we get caught up in it and we'll lose money. Right. So let's wait. We have 2 minutes more, so let's see. 1 minute more, 1 minute 50 something seconds. So let's see. Let's see if we'll be giving this a go or no go for us. Let's see if there's a bearish pressure for price to continue pushing down. Let's look at the 1 hour again. Okay, so we're basically entering this trade based on 1 hour low. So we don't enter at the flip here. So like break off the 1 hour low. That's where we'll be looking to get into this trade. So that's what I can see now. Now I can see now. So hopefully this candle close well and has a bottom wick. If it doesn't, then there's no trade, and you just let it be. Let's see. So when it closes, we need that top wick. We need to create a top wick so we can look for where we put our stop loss, and our entry will be like below the structure. So once price triggers, we expect price to drive to profit. So we look to close. Let me look at my left hand side. We expect price to drive more, but the problem is that we're not catching this trade from the very top. It's like, but we are doing based on continuation, so we can't hold the trade long because we don't know how far the trade wants to move currently. That's the problem. But we have levels here though. We have levels here. Let's look at it at 30 minutes. Okay, we're good. We're good. What's wrong with my market? It's taking its time. No network. It has closed, bro. How did it close? Okay, guys. No entry for me. No entry for me, guys. We have no bottom wick. Price can do whatever he wants. So no entry for me. No entry for me. So I needed like a bottom wick. So no entry for me, guys. And this trade can still drive regardless. But now what can happen now, since the price has created the low. So if this candle now can push up and come back and break this low, then I'm enter it. Since we have no bottom wick, so let it come up and create like a high, like come up to create a high. So then once it breaks its low again, then I'll likely enter the trade for a bearish continuation. But now the problem is, where are we going to put our stop? That's the problem now. Like, where are we going to put our stop? Where are we going to put our stop? That's the only problem. This candle has moved though. It actually moved. I don't know if I do want to enter this trade. I don't know if I want to enter this trade. Let's see if we get like half retracements. Let's see if we get half retracements. 160. Let's see if price will get to this point. Oh, guys, you guys should be in profits. You can move your stop loss to break even, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. You can close here. You can close here now. You can close here. You got 50 pip. You can close. How did this trade stop me at break? My trading view just hooked, and I saw I got stopped at B. All right, guys. You can close off now. You can close off now, guys. If you're not in trade, W's on the chart, guys. W's on the chart. But I know what happened. This trade, I didn't enter this trade though. I know what's going on. I actually placed my order, but I don't know what's going on. I can't see the trade anywhere. Wow, this is crazy. Anyways, hope you guys made money off this trade, guys. Hope you guys made money. Hope you guys made money. I waited for the trade. I called it out the way I wanted it to happen, and you can see that that's how the trade is moving. So hope you guys made money from it. Me, I did not. So that's it, guys. So W's on the charts if you did. W's on the charts. Honestly, guys, I'm actually confused because this trade, for some reason, it didn't trading login. I can't even see the breaking because I saw that it's executed, but I didn't see. I can't even see the trade. I can't even see the history. No money. No. All right, guys. Enough being said. So I will be looking to close up the stream now. double. Let me put it on your record. Although I didn't, the trade was called out, but I don't think I participated in the trade at all because I don't understand what I'm saying. The trade was called out. I explained it. I explained the thought process over this trade from the beginning to the way it played out. So I explained the thought process. And he did exactly what we were anticipating him to do. That's a win for us. That's actually a win for us. So guys, see you guys. See you guys same time tomorrow. Because there's nothing I can do again. I can't start looking for opportunities. That's what happened here. Well, I think I got stopped at B. Well, it is what it is. Anyway, see you guys same time tomorrow. Yeah. You can still probably get an entry, but if this candle decides to retrace a bit, then you can look for entry. So I think that's it, guys. That's it. That's it. So always be quick to move your stop loss to be. Well, I think I saw a flash this thing, but it changed went well. Regardless, it went well. It was a good trade. But times like this, you need to be very careful so you don't end up losing more than you're supposed to lose. So that's it. So see you guys same time tomorrow, guys.